This right here is my real estate executive assistant, Ashley. She's an AI agent that helps me handle my day-to-day operation. Here are a couple of things that she does for me. So let's run one of the sessions together. So for example, every time I get up, I now run good morning skill. And this is going to pull all the information that I've trained my executive assistant to do and try to get the important information, for example. So right now, that one is running my good morning skill. At the same time, I'm going to do another session and then ask it to prep for my next video. For example, this exact video that you're watching right now. Run packaging skill on my AI for Realtor episode 1. I'm showcasing my EA. So now what it's going to do is going to go through the skill sets that I trained her, which are YouTube skills, thumbnail creation skills, packaging skill, how to write description skills. All of the skills that it's going to need is going to create that for me. And then at the same time, I'm going to do another session right here. I'm going to ask it to know how my YouTube channel has been performing. So now it's going to do that in the back because I trained it to use that skill to learn my channel and give me the right feedback. So while the good morning skill is running, we can see that the YouTube analytics already showing me how the metrics are doing. It's doing quite well. I posted a couple of videos these past couple of weeks. Let's also check my AI for Realtor channel and see how that one's performing as well. So then let's take a look at the other sessions, how they're holding up. And here is my packaging skill. Let's take a look together. So this one recommended the episode. Can I actually have AI handle repetitive daily stuff in my real estate business without being a developer? Great. I love that concept. What does the AI executive assistant do for real estate agents specifically, and how hard is it to set up? Information gap. So, and here are some of the titles that you came up with. Every real estate agent needs an AI executive. I set up an AI executive assistant for my real estate business. No code. That's pretty good. I like that one. What happens when the real estate agent gets an AI executive? Don't like that one. So, and then here are some concepts it's going to create before, after, stress on the left. Okay, so let's just, next step is to generate the concept or generate the thumbnails. So you can see that right now, my executive assistant is actually using 3 parallel concepts, generating all at the same time. While let's see how my first one is doing. This is the good morning skill set. And this is the AI Realtor analytics skill set. It has ran pretty well. Let's take a look at this right now. So it gave me that idea that long form is not doing that well, and I should start creating shorts for my videos, for my channel, to get more algorithm. Still deciding who I am. Fantastic advice. I'm probably going to take that and create more shorts on this channel. And let's take a look at the daily update. So you can see that the daily update here, he went through my CRM, understand what is going on. Here's the dashboard that he generated, right? He created a website for me just by me asking a good morning. This is absolutely fantastic. Let's take a look together. All right, so here is exactly what is going on. We can take a look at my AI for Realtor channel, and my Mandarin speaking real estate channel is doing quite well. Let's click together AI for Realtors, and it's gonna say, here's my number of subscribers, number of views, average views per video is not doing that well. We have overdue for an upload. And then at the same time, it's pulling in the competitors. I said that I wanted to take a look at Mike Sherrard. Mr. Mike, you're doing quite well. You got a latest video, is a YouTube Shorts for Realtor, how to create 30 days of video. And then you got 1,200 views, doing pretty good. You can see that top competitor videos the past 2 weeks. These are all the skills, and it has some insights that he provided for me, right? These are all done every single day. Good morning, it runs the skill, and I get a chance to say, okay, these are the things I need to think about if I want to create content in this space, right? This is fantastic. What I love is just get an understanding of what's going on every single day. And then the next step is that they also go over my CRM and gives me some attention, and then says, this guy, Austin, is on fire. Viewed 30 properties in the last 2 days across Pflugerville. I should hit him up. And then I should also edit my second video. And then Emery wanted to revise the offer. It basically gives me an idea of all my daily tasks. It keeps me accountable with this thing right here. This is a daily task that I created. We filmed 2 videos today, and then we're publishing the second video later. And then we have to do cold calling. And then we're doing delivering services. We have to make sure we reach these people to make sure I'm following up with them. Every single day reminds me what I need to do. And let's come back here and take a look at the thumbnail that it created for us. Let's take a look together. So remember, I just asked it to package the video for me and then create a thumbnails. So it created these thumbnails, just by simply prompting. We all know if you want to do on YouTube, packaging is a very important step. So I'm going to go over them together with you guys and see which one I like to use. I think this one looks pretty solid. We'll have the base right here. Oh, this is pretty good. Amazing thumbnail. Let's take a look at this one. This one. Which one is more direct for? So we like to zoom out a little bit and take a look. I actually don't mind this one. So I might use this thumbnail and then see the text. AI does this daily. I don't hate it. So these are probably really good concepts. So I'm just going to iterate a couple more times and then eventually you will see one of these thumbnails before AI, after AI, so that it will package this video for me. So I'm going to talk to it a little bit more and just give you an idea how good this is. It just basically did all that for me. And the next thing is that we're done with this AI session right here. This is the analytics section, and this is the good morning skill. Keep me accountable, basically to-do list, going over all the things I need to do today. So now that you know and get an idea what it looks like, let's build this thing together. So you can also have an AI executive assistant that can give you and keep you accountable and help you handle your day-to-day real estate business. Now I'm going to show you how to create this executive assistant that's going to learn your habits, learn your workflow. It's going to handle all the administration tasks, including any new skills that you teach them. My executive assistant name is Ashley, but you can name yours whatever you want. So the thing we're going to do first is that we're going to download Claude Desktop, which is a software by Claude. And then you're going to come here to this final tab, the Claude Code. And then we're going to select a folder, okay? First, you got to go into your normal desktop and create a folder, and then we're going to select it together. We're going to choose a different folder. So we're going to select a real estate EA demo. This is the folder that I created. This is where all of our files going to live. Okay. So I'm going to do this. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to select the correct model. I personally like to use the Opus 4.6 to initiate this build so that we know this one's the smartest model. We need a lot of orchestration in the beginning. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is going to paste this prompt that I created to create a very self-learning, very self-developed. So the next thing we're going to do is to create a EA using this prompt that I created. You can download it using link down below. It's going to structure the files in the correct way, structure the folder in the correct way, and it's going to be personal executive assistant. You can download it for free using link down below, and you can access it and just copy and paste in here, and we're going to create this executive assistant together. So it's workplace. I do want to mention that right now you do need to be on a paid account in order to access these features that I'm showing. But the cheapest one they have is like a $20 per month plan, which is a fantastic way to get your foot in the door and learn how to use AI agents in your day-to-day operations to help you speed up your process and get rid of those administrative tasks. Let it run. We're going to let it all out for the entire session. Just going to go through this real quick. What I like to do sometimes is just click bypass permission. So now that you can just go over some of the things. Okay, so now it's going to ask me some personal questions. For example, what's my name? What's my time zone? How long have I been in real estate? What brokerage am I with? I'm just going to answer that together with you guys, okay? My name's William Zhang. I am in Central Time, and I've been in real estate for about 3 years. I'm with eXp Realty. I service the Austin, Texas area. What makes my business unique is that I primarily service Mandarin-speaking clients here in my area who are relocating and investing in Austin and in Texas. And then the final thing, what is my number one priority right now? The things that everyone should support. My goal this year is to hit 300K in GCI. That's my goal right now. And then there's some more sections. Basically right now, just trying to get an understanding of who you are as an individual so that you can cater and understand what's going on when you're referencing these things. So I'm going to spend some time and fill these out, and I'm going to show you this right after all of these questions are answered. Answer a couple of sections of questions. It's easier if you just use a verbal communication method. Personally, I use this thing called handy.computer. I can show you in a later video. It just makes me communicate faster with the computer. instead of typing all of these out, because it's going to take a long time. Maybe I'll modify the prompt for you guys so that it doesn't ask so many sections of questions. Maybe 1 or 2 sections of question will be fine. Right now, it's going to spend some time and actually build out all the proper structures. He has a really solid understanding of who I am. It's going to use Claude file to build a brain file, as you can see right here. From there, build out our next steps. Okay. So now we can see that here are the sessions that it finished, and then it's completed all of the photo structure. Primarily is the main brain file, and it has all of these settings and folder structures so that every time we make any projects or work on any tasks, we'll train our AI assistant, in this case, our ever learning executive assistant. I'm going to name him. I don't know what I'm going to name him. Comment down below, how should I name my AI assistant here for the demo account so that we can work on these things together. And my plan for this channel, for this series, is to build skills that I use every single day. I already have a really good Ashley working on my other computer. So I'm going to transfer some of the skills here. And if you want to get access to those skills, you should first get set up using this prompt so that we can work on these things together. And as I work on my real estate business, for example, create YouTube videos, create thumbnails, writing scripts, posting, working on a CMA, all the things that a real estate agent needs to do, I will train my assistant using those skills, and you can download it and plug it into your assistant, and then you will learn those skills directly. That's just how amazing these things are. So you should get started using link down below. Download this free prompt. So now the first thing we're going to do, let's just asking us whether we want to build any of these skills right now. So I think for this video, this is a really good start. The first thing we want to try is that let's make something that's really, really useful. Let's see. Not right now. Let's make a to-do list for tomorrow. Right now I'm filming it. It's like a Tuesday night. So I'm going to try to say to-do list for tomorrow, Wednesday morning. So it's going to make a to-do list for April 1st. Let's see what it knows about me based on my priorities. So follow-up block, 30 minutes, YouTube content, great. AI for Realtor channel, pipeline check, lead source audit. It's fantastic. I actually don't mind it. So the next thing we're going to do, just so we can save every session. Yes. It says, do you want to save this file in the project? Yes. So now it's going to save this session right there. It's going to save it in the daily to-dos. And then tomorrow, whenever I say what is on my to-do list, it's going to say, here are the things that's on my to-do list, so that we can check it off every single day. The reason we're committing this is to save everything into a repo. It's a way to track your project if you want to convert back to anything. So right now, the project structure is very similar to GitHub. It's kind of like a developer tool. The way I think about it is like you're playing a video game, and you make some progress in the video game. You want to save that progress. That's why you say commit this. So it's going to commit that to that video progress. In case you die somewhere down the line, you have a way to come back to this session, right? So that's how I think about it if you are playing a video game. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to learn more about how to use Claude to improve your day-to-day business, next one we're going to do how to operate CMA, how to do a database search, how to create video, how to create thumbnails, all the skills, all the things that real estate agents need to do, like I do in my day-to-day business. So you should subscribe to my channel. And remember, if you want to get this part, you can use the link down below. And thank you for watching.